Hey there, beauty and wellness enthusiasts. Today, I'm here to talk about a liquid gold that's been hiding in plain sight: avocado oil. This amazing elixir is packed with nutrients that can work wonders for your skin, heart, and overall well-being. Avocado oil is derived from the pressed pulp of ripe avocados. It's been used for centuries for its culinary and medicinal properties. The Aztecs and Mayans prized it for its healing powers. Essential benefit number 1: radiant skin. Avocado oil is a rich source of vitamins E and K, which are essential for healthy skin. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin K helps to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Apply a few drops of avocado oil to your face and neck before bed. Massage gently in circular motions. You can also use it as a natural makeup remover. Essential benefit number 2: heart health. Avocado oil is high in monounsaturated fats, which are known to lower bad cholesterol levels and improve heart health. It also contains antioxidants that can help to reduce inflammation and protect your heart from damage. Swap out your usual cooking oil for avocado oil. It has a high smoke point, making it ideal for frying, baking, and sautéing. You can also add a drizzle of avocado oil to your salads and smoothies. Essential benefit number 3: stronger hair. Avocado oil is a great natural conditioner for your hair. It helps to nourish and moisturize your strands, leaving them soft and shiny. It can also help to reduce dandruff and scalp irritation. Apply a small amount of avocado oil to your hair and scalp. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. You can also use it as a leave-in conditioner. Essential benefit number 4: improved digestion. Avocado oil is a good source of fiber, which is essential for digestive health. It can help to regulate your bowel movements and prevent constipation. Add a tablespoon of avocado oil to your smoothies or salads. You can also use it to make a healthy salad dressing. Essential benefit number 5: weight management. Avocado oil can help you feel full and satisfied, which can help you to eat less and lose weight. It's also a good source of healthy fats, which are essential for weight loss and maintenance. Replace unhealthy fats in your diet with avocado oil. You can use it to cook healthy meals and snacks. Avocado oil is a versatile and nutrient-rich oil that can benefit your skin, heart, hair, digestion, and weight management. It's a great addition to any healthy diet. So what are you waiting for? Start incorporating avocado oil into your daily routine and reap the benefits. Have you tried avocado oil? Share your experiences in the comments below.